Here's some great maintenance for your spine, something I want to teach you today called pelvic tilts. So if you have pressure and pain in your lower back or just a stiff back, this is an exercise you'll want to do regularly. In order to do it, you need a mat or just something to lay down on. And then I've also taken a blanket here. This is just a Mexican blanket that I've folded, and then I folded it again at the top so it's a little bit thicker. Just put it right down in the middle of your mat. Set your bottom on it, on the flat part, and then with your hands, ease yourself down so that the folded over, the rolled over part at the top of the blanket fills in that lumbar curve, the natural curve that you have in your back. Slide your shoulder blades together and make sure you have a nice long neck. Eye gazes to the ceiling, arms along your sides, feet planted on the floor with the knees bent and your thighs parallel. Take a breath in, press your tailbone down into the floor, and poof your belly up towards the ceiling so you're overarching your spine. And then we go the opposite direction by pressing the lower back into the floor and lifting the tail up. You feel a little bit of stretch on the tops of your thighs too. So we're going to go back and forth, tail down, belly up, breathe in. And then lower back presses down, lift the tail, squeeze the breath out, engaging the abdominal muscles. So we're just going to go back and forth. So one of the benefits of this particular movement, it helps to release the too thick fascia around the lumbar area, and also helps to reposition and better align the any bulging intervertebral discs. Also, when you move, you're helping. Your spine is a synovial joint, which creates synovial fluid. So when you move, those synovial joints, they create more of that synovial fluid, which helps you to move more freely without friction and pain. And the more you move, the more you can move. When you're done, you just find a neutral position and then let yourself up. I like to just roll to the side and press up out of that pelvic tilt. So give it a try and take care of your spine.